Students, yes. Johan, Shani, and Sumaya, yes. So they're gonna, teach us how to make this dice. Yes, please show us. Very good, very good. We're gonna make it. It's almost done. It's almost done. Yes, few more turns and we are done. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, great. Yes, guys. Yay! So see, we are done. So, guys, yes, my student, good student, yes, his name is Johan, and it means champion. Yes, so he gonna be champion. And Shani means light. Yes, she gonna be light. And Sumaya means exalted. Yes, she gonna be exalted. And well, my name is Saad, so it means blessed. So I gonna be blessed. But the formula is he will tell you the formula. Yes.
Sleep early and wake up early.
Yes, she will also tell the formula. What is the formula?
Sleep early, wake up early. Sleep early, wake up early.
Sleep early, wake up early. Yes, this is the formula of success for a student and for a teacher as well. Yep, thank you.